Alright kids, just got done installing the new camshaft in here. That was actually pretty easy to get in and out, except for all the lifters themselves. They were pretty well stuck in there. Oh, you want to see something else? Where is it? Yeah. Focus in here, damn it. Focus. That's a lifter. I don't know where the other piece is. That's what it's supposed to look like. I don't know where it is. I'll probably have to drop the pan at one point here or later. It's probably down in there somewhere. But remember kids, whenever you're playing with your shaft or your ding-a-ling, make sure to lube it up really good before you slip it in the hole. Prevents, accidents from happening. And it just helps go in the hole a little bit better. Alright, stick tuned. More to come. Oh, hang on. If you guys are wondering what cam I'm using? Yeah. We're going to see if it works. Stay tuned.